Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with an extreme cleaning motivation for you all. I was not in a mood to clean the house for about 2 to 3 days, and this is what happens if I don't clean. It becomes a complete disaster mess. In my previous videos also I have said that the two places that gets a complete mess in this house is the living room and the bedroom. So today also this is the same story. I have to clean both the places because it is a complete disaster and I have to extremely clean it. It was a bright sunny day which gave me the mood to do the cleaning today. Truly speaking, I was not in a mood to do an extreme cleaning today. But what made me do that is while I was cleaning, I noticed that there are some places which I do not clean at all, and those places have got lots of mess in it. One place I never bothered to clean was the surface below the glass on the dining table. I usually clean the glass on top, but I never think of taking out the glass and cleaning the surface. So today I'm going to do that too. I'm happy that I started filming the video thinking that I will give you a simple clean with me video today, but thank God I started filming it because I got an extreme cleaning motivation for you all today, so that you can go ahead and see those places in your house which needs a complete extreme clean. Hope you all are enjoying the background music also. While I was picking up items from the floor, I didn't have in my mind that I'll be doing an extreme cleaning. That's why you could see that I'm brooming the floor. But later on when I started cleaning more, I could see that there are places which I need to do an extreme clean. If I had planned before, I wouldn't have broomed at that moment. I would have done it all together. I started with vacuuming the sofas. I usually do this while I'm doing the cleaning. While I was vacuuming the surface of the sofas, I realized that only vacuuming on top of the sofas won't do. There are places which needs attention also. One of the places, the surface below the cushion of the sofa. This was not much surprising for me because I would have done this once in twice a week, because my son usually puts things in between the sofa and the surface, the area over there. He puts papers or any food items that he gets in between. Sometimes he does that. So I would have cleaned it at least once in twice a week. So this place was not much surprising for me. I usually clean the living room and the bedroom at least once in a day, but this interval made me do a lot of more work than I usually do. Yes, this happens and it happens with everyone. We cannot clean every day. There may be some days which we cannot clean at all. So we have to clean it after 2 days or 3 days anyways, because we are living in this house and we have to keep it clean. This is the moment when I realized that today is an extreme cleaning day. I have to deep clean this house. You can see the mess that is behind the sofa. I'll tell you what is this mess creator. I will show you the thing from which these mess have been created. While I was wiping the back portion of the sofas, I could see that there is dust below the sofas also. This is the place which neither my vacuum nor my broom reaches usually. So what I did is I tilted the sofa completely, and then I cleaned the underneath of the sofas. After that, I wiped the area that is below the sofa, because once I tilt the sofa again, I won't be able to wipe it down over there. I don't know what do we call that portion over there. That is the joining of the wall and the tile. That portion has lots of dust usually. So I cleaned that too. Now it's time for the next part of the sofa. This is a corner sofa which has two parts. So I'm going to do the next part now. Don't worry, this sofa is not much heavy. But the sofa which is there in my Kerala house, it's very heavy. I mean, two healthy men also cannot place it from one place to another easily. It is very heavy. Now, as both the sofas has been completed and cleaned completely, deep cleaned actually, from above and below, so I thought of now cleaning all the tables that is there in the living room, and also removing it from its original place and cleaning it below the areas over there, and then I will place it back in those places so that it is completely clean from all sides of this living room. I hope you all had seen my previous cleaning videos also. If not, please click on the iCard that is shown above. It will take you to the cleaning videos. I hope you all are liking these cleaning videos. I'm making these videos to give you motivation to clean your house too, so that you can also get down to those portions of your house which needs deep cleaning at least once in a while. And by showing these real life messes, I wanted to show you that this is the life of everybody. It is just the same, not only yours, everyone's life is just like this. And if you have a child in your house, this mess has to be there. Now it's time to show you the mess creator. This is the mess creator of this house. My son is the one who tears pieces from this carpet and puts it all over the floor, which contributes to the most portion of the mess that is there in this house. But today that's final. I'm going to dispose this carpet forever now. Now it's time to sweep the floor so that the living room is completely clean, deep cleaned from all the sides and all the corners of the room. Now I'm putting the tablecloths, which won't stay for more than some time in this room, because my son will pull those down. Now here comes the after look of the living room. How neat and tidy it looks, and it is deep cleaned today. So I can be really relaxed about it, that this room is a complete clean room. a final look, and then we go ahead and clean the bedroom now. If you are still watching this video, thanks a lot. Thank you for giving so much time from your life to watch my videos. It means the world to me. Your support, your comments, your likes gives me the motivation to do more videos in my channel. Thank you all for all your support. Please do comment below that what types of videos do you like to watch in my channel. Is it the recipes or the vlogs or the cleaning videos? And do give your suggestions also below in the comment box, so that while making new videos I can keep your suggestions in my mind and do the videos. I have tried my level best to shorten this video as much as I can, but if I shorten it more, I will be losing all those content in the video. That's why it's become a little bit lengthy than my usual videos. But please do watch this video. It is going to give you a complete motivation to clean the house. Please do watch it. Like the living room, there is also areas in this bedroom where I do not usually clean. My vacuum or the broom doesn't reach usually. So I will be cleaning that also today, so that this room is also deep cleaned. I removed the furnitures which is of less weight, and I cleaned under it also, so that it's completely clean from all sides. I couldn't remove the cot from its place because it's too heavy. So what I did is I used the vacuum to clean underneath the cot and also swept it. There was a lot of dust underneath the cot because, as I told you before, I usually don't clean under the cot. So today I decided to completely clean this room as well. Deep clean it from all. After all the furnitures have been removed and cleaned underneath, and also swept all those areas, I finally broomed the complete room and also swept it. Here comes the after look of the bedroom. I'm so satisfied with today's cleaning. It was a complete extreme cleaning. Hope you all got some motivation from today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And please do not forget to leave your valuable comments in the comment section. So now, take care and bye-bye till we meet again.